Welcome back to the Silly Mailers. It's me, Jaden, and today we are going to be doing the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. So right now we're about to go to the Dollar Tree, so here's the clip. Guys, so before this video, comment down below how many times Daddy looks at the camera. Guys, so now I'm back at the house and we have all the supplies to make the slime. Let's get to it.
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year's
Let's start with our glue, guys.
Okay, so the first thing is the glue.
Just squeeze it in the box.
Open it.
It's already open.
Did you take off the black top?
Take off. Yeah, first I have to take off this black top. Ooh.
I got it all.
Yeah.
It's in
Do we put it all in,
It's
Jerry?
in the
Yes.
Yes, if you want to. Depending on how big you want your slime.
That sounds crazy.
Need help, Titus?
Sounds nasty. Just put it on.
Ezra?
And so it's okay, I'll help you right now.
Here's our
I got it.
Take out all your stuff first.
Go ahead, get off the top.
Okay, guys. Help
Take
me,
the
Ezra.
whole bottle, right?
Yeah, want to. Okay,
Yeah, it's the whole bottle.
What's next after this, Jerry?
you add whatever glues and foams that you want. It's okay.
Whatever glitter?
Whatever it addings.
Whatever
additives that you want.
Okay, after this, Titus, we can add
They're
glitter or the little
They're right
balls?
there. We should have got some paper towel.
Remember to use your sticks when you're mixing.
Okay, I'm gonna use 2
Subscribe.
glues.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, hit that like button.
Make that notification bell go ring. So you can see all
Okay,
right.
now we can add little decorations.
Yes. You're not at the clay yet.
Don't have the clay.
Or the activator
Go ahead,
yet.
Titus, add your glitter.
Can I add my paint?
Yes.
Oh, I can add my paint.
Careful.
Gonna
It's
add
nasty,
these little,
right?
I think we need.
little balls too.
Oh!
Good job, Ezra. You get out here.
Be careful.
Ew. It's so nasty. It sounds nasty. I think this is sick for a while.
Can I have the green?
The green.
Maybe you use the white tag. Unless you're gonna pour it inside. What you need the green one, baby?
Now you can add your balls.
I'm gonna go.
You can bring the napkins over here.
Okay. I'm gonna get some napkins for us, guys, because this is messier than we thought.
Oh.
Guys, the trash is right here.
Okay. Do you want to put your balls in? Your
You
items?
put it way forward, Granny, but can Granny put her,
You could add.
Granny put her glitter in there?
Yes.
Oh.
Here, this is this too. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna add the fishbowl beads.
Maddie, some.
Look at-
Oh my goodness!
Look at that effort.
Whoa!
All of
Be
them.
careful. Wait, pick it up.
Glitter!
Hold on. If you don't want to, you don't have to put all of
I
it.
got some more glue in
Look
here.
at that pretty, look how pretty it is.
So I'm gonna add
You want to start
some
mixing,
paint.
Silas?
What do we do after we do the add-ins and paint?
Then you add in some activator, the very
But we mix first?
yes, you mix first. But be very careful. If you want shaving cream, you could add that too.
Okay, can we add that now?
Yes, shaving cream if you want to.
Yes, you can add paint. He needs help opening his glitter.
Well, what is this? Okay. Open, I'm trying to make all the way white.
How do I open this glitter?
I can help you.
What is wrong with
I
it?
want
I
to
don't
take
know.
the top off.
I'm just gonna leave it.
Oh my gosh, this glue, this.
Oh, see, you made it pink. Look at that.
Oh, there's
Just
two.
mine. There it is.
Ain't
Daddy.
that pretty?
Here you go, sweetie.
Daddy,
Tell
can
me
you
that
help?
ain't pretty.
Thank you. I took it off because I still like a.
Ain't that a pretty pink?
Yes.
Hey guys.
Beautiful.
Ew,
Just pour from there. Pour from there.
Yes, but
because
what you
this is
doing?
stuck on the
You gonna
inside.
put glitter?
So I'm gonna add a little bit of this.
I'm adding paint now.
Do we have
So
any
mine.
green paint?
I got you some. I got you that.
When can I add the chalk?
You can at the
Clay,
end after.
green clay, green
I can
clay,
add this.
Yes.
I'm gonna open right now.
green clay.
Time to mix in some of
Let me
that.
help you out there.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Slime, slime, slime.
Comment down below who you think slime's gonna turn out good.
I think mine is.
Mine's the best for sure.
Look at mine.
Good job, Titus. Good job,
The
everyone.
glitter.
I like that, Ezra.
That was
Baby.
pretty
Let's
nice.
see you.
We need more glue. Do we have any more glue or no?
No, he just needs to mix it in.
Mix it in.
I can add this green paint.
Ooh. Ready?
I love green.
Wait, let Daddy help you. Let Daddy help you.
Which one?
I just got a lot
The
of
glitter?
stuff. He got a, oh yeah, that's pretty, Tyler.
Oh, that
It's gonna be really good.
Oh my gosh, Ezra, you're adding a lot of paint. Hold
I wanna
on, we
see
need to
you.
start
There you go.
mixing.
Yes, there is.
We need to start mixing.
You guys, mine looks just like popcorn.
Oh my gosh, it looks buttery.
It look buttery.
Butter popcorn.
I don't think.
Okay, Jay, so after we add the add-ins and the paint, what is next?
You start, if you want to, you can add that in. And
shaving
if you don't, to start activating.
What
it.
does the shaving cream do for us?
It makes it fluffy.
Okay, I think I want
Like
mine to be
this?
fluffy.
It look like cake.
Do you want yours to be fluffy?
Yeah.
Do you want to add shaving cream to yours? Whoa!
What color, James, what color yours gonna
Put
be?
your stick down.
Probably green. And
Um,
I put more green in mine. Can I have that shaving cream over there? Are you gonna add shaving cream?
I already did.
oh my gosh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay.
What
that's
color
a
you
lot.
want?
Start. He needs to start, Jay. Help him
Mix
start. He needs some
This
help.
blue?
They going to help you.
That's okay.
After
That's a shaving
just
cream.
what's next?
Huh?
What's after the
Ooh,
shaving
look at
cream?
you.
After the shaving cream, you start activating, but be
So-
very careful.
Okay.
Don't put a lot.
Slowly, add it in slowly. Like
Do
add
not,
very
Jay.
little. That's
Very
enough.
little.
That's enough. Do not add
Jay,
any more.
how much I need?
Do not add any more. It says very little right now.
Little,
Like
wait,
that
wait.
much, and then start mixing.
Here you
And
go.
then if you need more,
Shaving cream.
So what do this do?
Yeah, spray it.
it
Right
makes it slime.
Okay. I want my slime dead up. When it started coming off the side.
Okay, time to add my phone. I'm really slow. I'm like still at my add-ins. Ezra, you need to keep mixing. You need to keep mixing, Ezra.
Okay.
Here,
Now,
Ezra.
you ready to mix it and activate it? You ready to
If it
activate
needs
it?
more, add some more
Are
time.
you done
I
with the
need more.
paint? You don't want no more of this?
If it doesn't look
Do you,
like
hold
slime.
up. You can't put a
You
lot.
can't touch it and play.
Do you want more of this?
That's gooey.
No? Yes.
I'm making mermaid slime. Mermaid slime is a purple slime with like a lot of cute addons. My addons are pretty cute, so I think this is really.
Mine is cute too.
Oh, yours is really cute, Ezra.
Oh, it is pretty. It's gonna be pretty.
Look at mine.
Mix really well.
No, you already have it.
No.
You already
You already have it.
You're doing
You
good.
still need to mix it for me.
Can I still
Mix
add
it, mix it, mix it.
something?
You're doing good. You're doing good.
It's not slime work, so go ahead.
But I'm saying, will it mess it up?
No, because it's not slime. Only when it's slime, that's when you can't add in the shaving cream.
But I want it to get the color.
Okay, so I'm gonna start adding shaving cream, guys. I'm still like really late. Everybody's trying to activate. I'm still adding.
And what did we do next?
Just keep mixing.
It smells good.
Now it's gonna
Smells
activate.
good in here.
Look at mine.
Jay,
Mama, look
don't let
at
Brenda
mine.
overdo it.
Mama, look at mine.
Don't add the
Mama,
part.
look at mine. Mommy.
I can feel mine. It's starting to get thick.
It is?
Mine's
Yes.
not.
You already activated yours?
Yeah.
I think so. I just put a little bit. Hold up, though. Oh, you added it more?
Be careful, Mom. When you're adding. Add Grandma.
I ain't no more. I'm just gonna keep stirring.
Once
Stir it
it's
up,
not
stir
thick,
it,
you
stir
need
it.
to put on. Let me add some.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Get it mixed, mixed, mixed.
I like
Look
that.
at that.
That ain't even nothing.
Kind of like
Man,
that.
I ain't had
We
nothing.
have to do this all day at home. If you want to do this video, just down below.
You heard him.
Oh my gosh, that smells really pretty. Look, Mom.
Smells good, it does.
Mine's
The shaving cream makes it smell really good. Mine's really big.
You got some
How do you know when it's ready?
Look
When
at
it
mine.
feels like looks like slime.
I want to put in my butt for bubble bath.
Ew.
Look at mine.
You just put like a little
Look
kick.
at mine.
The water smells
I'm
good.
getting super
Ooh,
good.
mine's
And
sticky.
do really
Mine's
good.
not.
Mine's not.
It's gonna get there. You keep adding shit.
You didn't want this
Stop
video.
The activation is the
You didn't want to do
laundry
this
detergent,
video.
right?
Yes, sir.
You want to do this video.
Mine's almost there. I can feel it. I can
Mine's
feel
almost
it.
there too.
Mine's too. I'm gonna feel it too.
Y'all, I'm getting a little nervous because mine is like liquid.
Let me help you, Mom.
You probably need to add some more laundry detergent there.
Look at.
Just start adding some more.
Okay,
I think mine is getting to it.
So that's enough shaving cream.
Mommy, put more.
Throw me under the bus.
Go in the what's the neighborhood?
Mommy did it.
Blame it on Mommy. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, guys. And this is from Dollar Tree. This is pretty good for Dollar Tree.
From Dollar Tree, you
Man,
can
I
want to
always
get
miss
it
mine.
out.
That is my look.
Dollar Tree. And what if you do
Not
this
ready
video,
yet?
it's down below and do this all day at home.
That's just doing
You want to
everything.
pay this
I'm just
Let's do it. Why
Hey,
not?
stop! No, don't rub it on your clothes. No, no, no.
It's already on there. It's already on there.
Don't.
It's okay.
You should be able to make some more.
You can't take a bath again.
James, this gonna make
It's okay.
it up.
I don't know why yours isn't mixing.
Put it in the jar and keep.
Let me.
Just mix your stuff, please.
Let me help you mix. Okay, fine.
You better mix it.
Why not?
Your mix is still like mine. Girl, I ain't my own about to
Mine is getting pretty good.
Put some beans in mine.
She said, girl, my arm about to fall off.
Oh, fuck. Throw me in a bus.
Yeah, it's not working.
Hey, everybody throw me in a bus.
Oh, mine is getting there.
But mine is getting...
Mine's
look
getting
like
there.
some
Yours
slime.
getting there. Ooh,
Jay.
Look at Jay.
I think I was gonna be the slime
I
of the
think ours is
day.
gonna be the
I
best.
don't know what I
Look
did
at mine, I
something
got bubbles.
wrong. I did something wrong.
Yo, mine looks like choro.
I got soda too.
My sticks keep on breaking.
grab that camera and just video
No,
you.
Mom, stop.
Look at Jay. Let me feel it, Jay. Let me feel it. Oh my. This my Jay, look at mine.
Okay.
Because you asked for much, baby.
Y'all are upside down.
Let me see a tie, please.
Let's go ahead and record.
I think ours is
I
best.
messed mine up. I did something. But Jay is getting there. Yeah.
But Daddy,
Hi.
Mine is the best. I'm sorry, Daddy.
Yeah.
Look at
Now you
this.
know what you do.
Yours is the best for sure.
Titus, yours looks a little slimy.
Nice.
I think I probably added too much.
That's
onion
mine.
to mine.
I'm
Mama
embarrassed
can't
to
see
show
it.
mine.
It can't to stop it.
I probably added way too much onion detergent
And
in
the,
mine. I got this
It's
not,
getting soupier.
so it's not there yet.
It's not getting still.
then you added too much paint then. That's probably the problem. You guys probably added too much
Titus,
paint.
what does yours look like?
water.
You said we can add it all.
I said if you want it.
Nope.
I didn't know.
Oh man, Jay, I
I
thought
think we messed it up, guys.
I thought I had it good. Jared, yours look great.
Mine is good.
And how does Jay's look so professional?
Jay, you're the professional.
Yeah.
Let
I'm
me
the
see, Ezra,
slime
let me
queen
help
of
you.
this family.
Elsa's might be good if he
Granny.
starts.
Ezra, yours look pretty good too.
Something was done.
Mom's gonna, mom's
Yeah.
gonna
I'm so sad about my
Happy
slime.
New Year's, guys. But
Happy New
mine was the
Year's
best.
Eve, New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
No, look, Elsa's doing. Elsa's getting his. Elsa's looks like it's gonna be nice.
Don't forget, right?
Hit that
Don't
like,
forget to
subscribe.
And press that notification bell so you get notified every time we make a video.
Like, comment, and
What?
sub.
What?
What, guys? Thank you for being a part of our family little slime challenge.
Guys, Happy New Year's, and I definitely think that Jay was the winner of this Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. We want to thank y'all for looking at our videos. Like, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell.
Our daddy 16 times. That's a new record.